Hello, good evening to everyone. Today I just received this package from Myntra, which I have ordered slippers. These are for the women, okay, or for girls. So I'll just want to unbox this and show you how is the look of this slippers, you can say, and how exactly are these matching from the photo where I have ordered this. Means I'll just try to show you the photo also, means how they are looking in the photo and how they are looking in the uh, exact video. I'll try to attach. First look at the photo. Yeah, this is on the Myntra site where I have ordered, and this is the product, dressberry cream colored embellished open toe flats, and this is the product. See, and this is the exact color what I have ordered. And I'm just going back to the video, and the price is 689, but when the time I purchased this it was like 700 rupees. It has changed, so the prices varies day to day. You need to check and you can proceed. And there are three color variants. Whichever is okay for you, you can check that. Yeah, coming back to the video. Yeah, see here, when I take this out, I'll just talk about this quality, means this cushion, this material and everything. And now my lights are turned on. See here, if I place this like this, the lighting, due to this lighting, these are just glittering. See, if you observe, maybe yeah, they're not going off, they just glittering. You just need to maintain them cleanly. Coming to the price, it's like 700 rupees. I purchased this, and this is the brand, I guess, dressberry. Yeah. And coming to the quality, this has a cushion. If you observe, when I'm pressing, this has a very clean cushion. So you can say the sole comfort is, the feet comfort is good, and the overall build is good. And this is of gum. See here. Yeah, if you observe, this is gum. So you should avoid any, means not, this is not waterproof, so you should be careful in that matter. And this is the gum, you should useful careful. Okay. Yeah, the binding is good. The binding is, overall binding is good. And there will be sound, a sort of sound, because this material is hard. See here, so there will be slightly sound when you are walking. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, so I'll try to reply you. And coming to the overall expectation, I have to say that this has met the expectation. What I have ordered on the Flipkart and what's the material I received is closely matching. So there is no regret on that case. And I need to check if anyone wants to have a review, means how good are this when in the practical life. Please do ask in the comments. Maybe I'll do a video like once it has been used by one of my relative, like 1 to 2 months, then I can post a video on that. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. I'll try to attach the exact product if possible. Thanks for watching.